Today we're gonna install the roof rack on this bad boy right here. We got the other two-door right there. Primo, ¿está listo? Este es el vlog número 1, primo. Aparece Spider-Man con brinca llantas. But as a stance or no stance, huh? But yeah, this is the two-door life. Aquí tenemos al Superman. But yeah, shit, we'll show you the little time lapse we do. This is the little progress we got right now. We unloosened these bolts right here to move the rails, and now we're trying to figure out where do we want to position it. But yeah, there we go. So we're here with one of the experts. 3 out of 1 experts recommend to put a something metal under so you don't go through the thing. So watch it.
I remember. I don't recommend it.
En reversa, no. That's how I'm trying to move it.
Alright, let me see one of those bolts now.
So this is the one we use. You don't have to get 12 inches long. This is how I like mine. Así de largo. But 3/8. And then the bolts. Not sure, to be honest. We took it off my homie's Tahoe, so yeah, final product. By 14s. I just need them motherfucking mud grabs or boggers. Yeah. You want some, bro? Huh? For the block, bro. Yeah. Big ass fucking mirrors. Damn. Yeah, about 7 inches will stick out. What we gonna do today, bro? Work? Hey. Get this back? Here to the park. So I'm gonna probably swing it right here. See how this bitch does. Straight up eyes, look, ain't no fuck word but here. It's a little walk around with a little fucking OBS. You know, she already has rust, so I ain't even tripping. Just more lightweight for the new fucking engine. But shit, I'm gonna have to polish the fuck out these rims. But let's see how it looks from the outside. This shit look fun. I have it. This little piece of shit wasn't wanting to swing it at all. I wonder if that's my truck. Damn, boy. Damn, boy. This shit's finna be nasty, so for sure it's gonna need a nice ass car wash for sure. Look, this is how fucking slippery the ground is. So it wasn't even spinning or anything. It was just straight, just gliding basically. But that's the little video for today. There ain't much, just because there's no snow. It's literally frozen, so there's not that much fun on doing anything with it. But see y'all later on the, who knows, the next video. I don't know what the next video gonna be. Comment down what y'all want me to post. Just any suggestions or anything. That's